Okay, so I never make any videos, but got a problem with an 03 Trailblazer. It's got the 4200. Problem is, turn on the AC, motor stumbles, chokes down and dies within a few seconds. I'm going to show you real quick what I'm talking about, because I found out a lot of people's having this problem. Start up fine. Turn on the AC. Stumbles. Try this again. Killed it. So after doing a bunch of research, everyone says it's the dirty throttle body. Take it off completely, clean it out inside and out, problem goes away. So I'm going to pull it off. We'll see what happens when we're done.